Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove unwanted object from video. This is CapCut tutorial. So let's get started. If you use CapCut as your video editor, you can remove your unwanted object from your project. So let's tap on the video here. I took this video from library, and I want to remove this kite. Just tap on your video and use duplicate feature, and then tap on your first video, use the overlay here. So I want to remove this kite. By tap on the overlay one and use mask feature, this one. Use the rectangle and try to adjust the rectangle here, adjust the size, and done. You can tap this and try to cover the kite here. Let's see if the kite is still there. You need to readjust here. So maybe you can do better than me in here, but the point is you can use mask to cover these objects, or you can use keyframe. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.